Trade idea for the week this week is Apple. We are already positioned on Apple. I did post out that trade idea and also the trade that I've taken for 614, right? Like that's the one that we have taken. Apple, very nice uptick at the end of Friday, right? Like it was a surprise. We were talking about how Apple 192 was something that has been acting as resistance, and that's essentially where we have taken the position. And I was not very concerned about Apple even when it fell off, because towards 190 or under 190, because I was looking at this trend line on the daily, and if it was broken, I would have cut off our swing position. But like it bounced back really hard prematurely, like how QQQ kind of bounced off at 443 instead of 440. It did not even hit the trend line, so which is pretty good. Kind of shows strength, and we closed above 192. It looks like a bullish bull pennant, right? Where any kind of break of the upper trend line, we are going to see 196 and 200 on Apple in the next couple of weeks. So we do have the 200 calls. The trade idea for the week is 195 calls though, which triggers at 192. The measured move for the option surprisingly is also 4 points this week, which is 192 plus 4, 196. So 195 call can go deep in the money. So we'll see what happens there. When I get into that position, I'll let you know. I'll post out that I bought it, just like how I did with Meta, and we did scale out and scale in accordingly, right? Like last week, I think we got 60% on Meta before it reversed off. But obviously, it was also a roll up trade, because we also had the 500 call or the 490 call for 6-7, right? So it was a good trade. But the same thing with Apple. We do have 614, but then if it starts breaking or has a retest of 192, that's where I'll pick up that call for 195 and play the weekly trade idea as well.